Ito, Cebu Convention Center.
Ngayon, andito tayo sa abandonadong convention center dito sa Cebu na mas kilalang CICC.
Ay, patay na.
There's just something not right. Stop it.
What?
Pull us out.
Ayoko na.
Wala.
I came from the mud. There's dirt on my hands.
Kilala itong convention center na to dahil dito ginanap ang dating ASEAN Summit noong 2007 noong kapanahunan ng dating presidente natin na si Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. Nakalipas ang mga ilang taon, nabandona ito dahil sa sobrang lakas na tumama dito sa Pilipinas noong 2012 na 6.5 magnitude na earthquake. Lumala pa noong panahong 2021 kasi ang Cebu ay tinamaan ng sobrang lakas na bagyo, ang bagyong Odette.
Cebu pa rin to. Cebu Go Center pa rin ba to? Hindi, Agonix. Para subscribe natin si Agonix. Grabe, 1.24M followers na siya. Sana all makarating sa ganyan. Makakarating din tayo sa gitong karaming followers.
Dahil sa sobrang na-abandona na tong convention center na to, madami ng kababalaghan ang nangyayari dito, kagaya ng
Nakatira ako dito dahil nasunog yung bahay namin sa Mantuyong. Kaya bago ito naging abandonado, ginawa itong evacuation center ng mga nasunugan doon sa Mandawi Giso na sunog. Saka paglipas ng sunog na yon, naging abandonado ito dahil may bagyo rin na tumama dito sa Cebu, yung tinatawag na bagyong Odette. At saka marami nang kababalaghan dito na nagpaparamdam nung nakatira ako dito. Marami nang namatay dito dahil si beach doon sa elevator na part na yon, may namatay doon.
Wala ka creepy.
Bago lang 2 years ago, 1 year ago pa yun. Tapos doon may babae rin namatay
Tumawa? O epics lang yun?
doon. Saka mga bata, parang may tumitingin sa akin sa taas. Saka yung mga nagbabantay dito, yung mga JASO personnel, marami rin din silang nararamdaman.
At ngayon mga kaibigan, meron tayong kasama mga professional ghost hunter dito sa Cebu. Ang Cebu Ghost Hunters International.
Kasama na si Cebu Go Center.
Yan, nandito si Sir LJ at si Brother Ramon. Brother Ramon, introduce
Pleased to
yourself.
meet you. Hi, my name's Ramon. I'm an international psychic medium from the UK. Been here in the Philippines for a couple of months. Joined Cebu Ghost Hunters International with LG. And this evening already, I'm starting to get pushed back by the spirits. They don't want us to be here. So yeah, looking forward to working here tonight with you guys.
And Sir LJ, introduce yourself.
Hello mga ka-hunters, I'm LG Oberes, isang ghost hunter dito sa Cebu. Ang aking papel dito sa Cebu Ghost Hunters is isang equipment specialist na mga paranormal equipments. And then I also can sense spirits around. Tinatawag ko na yung ability na yun, para sa akin tinatawag ko yung spiritual sense. So as a founder of Cebu Ghost Hunters International, yun, may kasama na tayong isang medium psychic na makakasama natin ngayon dito. Kasama si Argonix.
Yan.
Dragon.
So mga kaibigan, bigyan ko lang ngayon ng background kasi nasama ko sila dahil kila Aga. Kasi lumabas na sila sa vlog ni Aga. So nung experience namin sa buong exploration namin kay Aga, talagang nag-enjoy ako. Sabi ko, what if gawin natin? Diba? So ngayon, mga kaibigan, tignan natin kung ano mangyayari sa gabi na to. Okay, let's explore the abandoned Cebu International Convention Center. Okay, ngayon mga kaibigan, to be honest, kanina sobrang natatakot ako kasi ano yun?
May sumilip na sa taas.
Oh my God.
May sumilip na sa taas. Diyan.
So mga kaibigan, tignan nyo naman, unang ano pa lang dito, may mga ano na siya, shattered glass. Ayun o. Pwede ba hawakan to? Pwede. Ayan o. So may mga shattered glass siya. Ayan o. So ito yung mga ano, sa lindol to, no? Dahil sa lindol. Sa lindol. Pagbagyo. So mga kaibigan, unang pasok pa lang natin dito, meron ng ito yung pinaka-main ata, may hagdan. So, explorein muna natin yung ground floor. Ano yun?
Mga escalator to dati, oh. Diyan.
Nakakatakot yung baba. So, mamaya mga kaibigan, ground floor, second floor, tas rooftop, tas mamaya sa, sa ground tayo kasi doon ang may madaming, kababalaghan.
How are you feeling right now, Brother Ramon? Feeling something?
I'm feeling nervous. I normally don't feel nervous. I feel earlier on I saw one of the dogs here. There's many stray dogs here, and I had a feeling of a particular type of demon dog here.
Demon dog?
And I don't like to talk
Demon dog na sino yasa yun?
about it, so I don't know why I am. They're called hellhounds, so it's a term that people might have heard of before. So that's why I'm just a little bit wary of this location and what's going to happen later on.
Di pa rin sinasabi ni Brother Ramon sa vlog niya agad, di ba? Na para siyang ayaw na dito sa place na to. Pero dito sa place na to, parang uncomfortable, right?
We're being watched, okay, from the far end of the building. Earlier on I saw a gentleman look around the corner, spirit.
Sabi nga ni Brother Ramon, meron dang mga nakatingin sa amin habang nag-e-explore kami. At meron din siyang mga nararamdaman na parang may humahawak sa kamay niya at sa binti.
Mga kaibigan, explore muna natin. Tara, doon muna tayo.
Pero tuloy pa rin kami sa pag-explore sa lugar.
Parang ang laki niya, no?
Ano ba yun? Nakakatakot sa CR. Puntahan ba natin doon?
Try natin. Buti natin lahat ang nakakatakot.
Tapos mamaya, sa ground floor, may gagamitin tayong equipments, mga pang-sense ng mga energy like ghost.
Do you feel something, Brother Ramon?
I'm being pushed back because they don't want me to move forward. I was getting that earlier on, but it's stronger now, so I'm getting a stronger sensation. So if they want to push me back, it means we go forward.
Tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang pag-explore namin kasi yun nga sabi ni Brother Ramon, if parang pinupush kami pabalik, it means kailangan namin mag-move forward.
Ano yan?
Ano tubig? Wala dito.
Dami tayo go.
Wala. So, elevator na yun doon. So, dyan yung babae. Yung babae na tumalon.
In the story, there's a girl that jumped there in the elevator and gets stuck
Okay.
for so long.
Over there in that direction.
Yeah, you're right.
Okay, so I think we should go there. I'll psychically communicate with her if she's there and see what she thinks.
Okay.
But we have control, not her. We decide what we do.
Okay mga kaibigan, so dito yung sinasabi nila na na dito daw yung babae na tumalon tas na trap. Ba't ako
Creepy naman ng basag-basag na tiles.
Naninilig talaga ako, G. Di ko alam.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Pinaninig siya.
Ako parang dumadaan. Dito, tignan natin.
Hawakan kita. At baka mamaya.
So dito na yung So, G, dito.
How are you, Brother Ramon?
How are you feeling in this area?
Initially, I didn't want to go forward, and then you guys moved forward, and then I felt easier going forward. I don't normally feel this edgy.
Ayan naman kanina, di ba, si Brother Ramon?
I'm not frightened. I'm wary. I always play safe.
Okay.
I think there's just something not right, and I'm trying to figure out what it is.
Okay.
Something not right about this place.
Ay, putang ina mo talaga. May
Me and Argon already sent some sneaking
May sumisilip.
spirits.
like running.
Yeah,
Running
that
and
makes
like
sense.
you
Sneaking.
peeking.
I saw that when we were walking up, just lots of shadows.
Yeah.
Alat.
You saw them earlier, yeah.
Kita mo yung boy?
Oo.
So we're all confirming together what we're all sensing and feeling.
Imaginein mo kung di natin sila, biglaan lang kasi guys, na tinawag namin sila Brother Ramon and sila Sir LG na puntahan kami dito kasi parang feeling namin hindi namin kaya na tatlo lang kami. Kami dalawa ni Pau tapos si Sir Harry. Lakas pa ng loob natin, dalawa pa sana tayo ng unang plano, no?
Hindi namin kaya.
So parang feeling ko kasi nung nag-ghost ghost ship, parang may feeling ko talaga nasundan tayo eh. Kasi wala tayong proper
Hindi kayo ng protection prayer?
Wala kami ganun.
Wala naman siguro.
Okay lang yan kasi malalaman mo yan after 1 week.
Ay, ano ba after 1 week?
May sumusunod na sa'yo. Tinan mo yung sense mo.
Oo.
Nakita mo.
Di ba hindi ko nararanasan nung yung Sky Aga, di ba? Di wala akong nararamdaman na ganito kasi parang wala, first time ko kasi nun, tapos parang ang dami na sumusunod sa akin ngayon. Pag naliligo ako, parang may naima.
Dito, hindi namin alam kung bakit biglang namatay yung GoPro ko kasi full charge naman to kanina.
Uy, baka naman robot na.
Full charge yan,
Yeah.
Spirits absorbing the energy from the body.
So ngayon mga kaibigan, tapos na tayo sa ground floor. Proceed na tayo dito sa second floor na feeling ko mas madaming spirit kasi nung in-interview namin si Sir Harry, may tumitingin-tingin sa kanya.
Just felt a sudden stabbing sensation just on the left hand side,
Right
lower
now?
ribs. Sharp stabbing pain.
Right now?
Just now. Just this exact spot here.
Be careful, okay?
So we'll see what that means. Generally it means that somebody
Yung nararamdaman ni Brother Ramon tugma sa sinasabi ni Sir Harry.
A thief here got punched by the bodyguard here in the SACC and then he died.
CICC, parang PICC dito sa Maynila.
He died. He put there the body.
Kasi may nararamdaman si Brother Ramon na parang may sumasaksak sa tagiliran niya. At ayun nga, based sa kwento na Sir Harry, merong magnanakaw dito na pinatay. Habang paakyat kami sa may second floor, may biglang
slates or stone.
What? The heck? Ano yun?
Pinagbato.
Hoy, di ba kayo yun? Ha?
Narinig mo yung gaw?
Gago, binato ako.
There was something going on here, and you just had the poltergeist activity.
Poltergeist?
Poltergeist. Poltergeist is German for a noisy spirit.
Tinamaan ka?
Hindi naman. Muntikan na.
Saan yung
Dito.
Yung ano naman, yung
Kung
malaki.
sino man yan ang babato, huwag nyo po tamaan.
You know, you can never have enough cameras on a ghost hunt.
Isa nang naglalabasan sila.
I just saw two people, I think a man and a woman. In the lady's in a dress, gentleman is in a suit, and they're dancing.
What is it? What is it?
Do you feel something right now, Brother Ramon?
I think the warning sign is enough there. Caution, don't go.
Yeah.
And there's two reasons for that. One is because it's obviously dangerous, and two is because there's activity there. And normally activity, we move towards activity, but this is the type of activity that we move away from. We just accept the spirits are there, we respect that, and then we just leave them.
Mas minabuti na naming hindi pumunta dun sa may caution sign kasi sabi nga, delikado.
August kasi is a ghost month. And so,
There's a fire here. I get people running. Now I know why I was being pushed in this direction.
Andito na kami sa bandang part ng building sa may elevator, dito tinapon yung patay na bangkay.
Creepy, tinapon niya patay na bangkay. Creepy nun.
so dito daw tinapon yung patay na nakatawan nung binugbog. Totoo ba?
Nadaan ka gano'n,
I think the conclusion I'm making at the moment is the spirits here are hiding something from me. It's like a spell has been cast over here to hide things.
Okay.
And they don't want me to find out.
Tumutugma sa ano niya, may spell daw na kinast. Nung pag-explore namin dito dati, merong spiritista na pumunta dito dati. Meron siyang, kumbaga, pinakawalan na spirito dito niya, pinakawalan. Oh,
Ba't niya ginawa?
may sinapian dito dati, di ba, sir? Yun.
Bakit niya ginawa yun?
Tsaka, ewan ko, bakit niya dito? May sinapian sa baba, sa lower ground, sa basement.
Puta na mo.
Oo. Tapos, doon din na clear yung sinapian. So possible, nilagyan niya ng mga spells yung CICC na to para
For good, for bad.
Is it a good spell or bad spell?
It's a spell designed to hide things.
Hindi pa niya malaman din eh. Kung bakit niya alam? Hindi ko naman siya sinabihan.
Yun nga eh. Yung nakakatakot.
So, spiritista before, then a medium psychic. Parang merong tayong madediscover mamaya sa lower ground, sa basement.
Na-explore na natin yung ground floor, second floor. So, tinan natin papatagalin to. Punta na tayo sa underground.
Underground. Ready ka na?
Ready na.
Tayo, kung saan nakita yung bangkay ng teenager na tinapon. From that elevator, dyan siya tinapon, bumagsak sa baba.
Habang papunta kami sa may basement area, nang may biglang nagbato sa amin at pakinggan ng maigi.
Nagnakaw daw siguro yun. Nangawat. Ano yun? Ano yun?
Narinig niyo yun?
Narinig ko yun.
At paulit-ulit pa rin kaming binabato.
Oh! Narinig ko yun. Narinig ko yun. Narinig ba to?
Activity.
I'm starting to get an idea of what's going on here. I'll wait until we go down to the lower ground because I think we'll get more information there. I'm starting to build a picture.
Okay.
And we're looking at spells from white witches and black witches and counteracting each other.
Okay.
Oh, let's go down.
Absolutely.
So mga kaibigan, andito na tayo sa underground. Ayan, grabe talaga ni Sir Ramon.
Ang malakasan talaga yung gaw.
Grabe.
I'm not feeling anything.
Oh, that's scary.
It's like there's a wall that's just been put across. Nothing.
Harry is saying something earlier that you can see there. Pakita natin. There's a mirror, right? And then every time he's looking at it, there's a reflection of a woman.
Spirits often make themselves known through mirrors. It's a very simple way. We have a method of communication called scrying, which is using mirrors, where when you look into a mirror, you can see a face change. And I've seen many times spirits just walking.
Dito sila nag-evacuate dahil nasunugan sila. Dito sila nasunugan. So, sabi ni Sir Harry, ayaw mo tumingin sa ano, di ba? Sa salamin dyan. Ayaw ko tumingin, Sir.
Pag sa salamin, natatakot ako. Creepy talaga sa salamin.
Like,
Ito yung salamin din.
Yung naka-creepy.
Grabe. Parang siyang lagusan.
Kinikilabutan sa salamin.
Ng ano?
Parang wala, no? Parang yun yung final, no? Final door.
Oo.
Hound ba yun? Something.
I think that we should be going in there.
Okay.
Brother Ramon. Ramon Montenegro.
Dito nakapasok na kami sa part ng basement kung saan gagawin namin yung tinatawag na human pendulum.
Ay, ano naman yung pendulum. Paano ba ginagawa niya yun? O, human pendulum daw eh. Yung sa kanila. Eto, paranormal investigator. Ginagawa niya lang parang...
Na kung saan gagamitin yung isang tao para makipag-communicate sa spirit. Gising pa rin yung diwa ng tao pero dapat nakarelax siya at yung mismong spirit na yung mismong magde-decide kung yes or no ba ang isasagot niya sa itatanong ni Brother Ramon.
Yes.
While doing the human pendulum, what if like...
Oh my God! Oh my God! Tulong.
Relax lang.
Thank you, Spirit. Okay.
Pau. Ready ka na, Pau?
Okay. Are you a male spirit? Are you a male spirit? Yes. Okay. Okay. I'm going to keep asking the questions because that's what we're here for.
Ito ba?
Okay, malapit na yun.
Okay. You feel something here. What do you feel?
I'm shaking right now.
Okay, that's fine.
Then
Okay.
someone is
Oh my God.
like, I want to open my eyes.
Okay, keep your eyes closed. We're in control, not the spirit. Okay. Are you a good spirit? Yes or no? Yes. Good spirit. Good. Okay. Are there many other
So hindi
spirits
si
here?
Pao yung gumagalaw niya
Yes or no?
kasi
Are there many
pinaparelax
other
lang siya.
spirits here? Are there many negative spirits here? Oh yes. Who has control of this abandoned conference centre? Is it the positive spirits?
No.
Grabe yung pababa to.
Is it the negative spirits who are in control?
My God.
Negative.
Well, this evening, we're in control. Hopefully, quite quickly, I'll be able to have total control and I won't be moving forward. But I need you in front of me all the time.
Possible pa na masapian siya, ganun?
Alam niyan. Possible yan, pero alam niya. Alam niya.
Okay.
So what I want you to do is to be stood like that, okay? And what I'll do is I'll lean forward, and this is how sometimes I can be affected, and you need to stop me as I come here, okay? So, it doesn't happen often, but you need to be aware, which is why I say, I've been on many,
Dito na yung bato, oh. Sa likod.
okay?
Can do that.
So can you count me out, LG?
Okay, Spirit, we're gonna count. 10.
At sa part na to, si Brother Ramon na yung mismong magtatry ng human pendulum.
Are you a male spirit?
Yes,
Yes.
I travel.
Uy, wait. May bumaba.
Focus. Bumalik siya. Okay. Did you die here?
Ilayin mo siya.
Yes.
Gitna.
Dito, pinatigil na agad ni Brother Ramon yung human pendulum kasi may nakikita na siyang mga negative spirit, kaya mas minabuti na naming itigil yung activity.
Okay.
Take us out quickly.
What happened?
Okay. I'm just calling in my spirit guides. The entity, the spirit, didn't die. So if he didn't die, it wasn't born as a human. I've only ever come across this once before. I've done this thousands of times. I remember it clearly. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to continue to call my guardian angels and my protectors, and what we're going to do is we're going to leave. We're going to leave. So we're going to do that now. Listen guys, we're going to do that now.
Bago kami umakyat sa basement area, sinubukan muna namin yung mga dala naming equipments at dito, sobrang dami na nangyari at hindi namin inaasahan.
Brother Ramon. Oh, yun. Pag nandyan si Ramon, oh. Paunahin na natin yung medium psychic natin. Wala naman. Nadidetect siya. Dito. Hala ka go! Andito siya, oh. Ang lakas, oh. Ang lakas. Ang lakas.
Kuya, wait.
Doon, grabe. Grabe, relax lang. Nandito siya. Lagay natin dito. Ikaw ba yan? Thank you. Ikaw ba yan?
What fuck?
Lagay natin dito.
So you can take pictures of
Ang lakas, grabe, oh.
Nakakatakot tong activity na to.
Ang lakas. Wala na yan, ha? Andyan siya, oh. Pakibaba
Thank you, Spirit. Keep communicating with us.
Ilagay mo muna dyan for calibration.
Kasi dito yung tumutunog talaga eh.
Meron ba kaming kasama dito? Patunugin mo nga at lumapit ka dito sa aming music box para ma-detect ka. Wala naman.
Ayun talaga naman yung spirit box. What the heck? What?
G, tara na. Pili ko. Okay na. Sapat na sa akin yun. Ayoko na.
Let's move. Let's go up. Nice
Baka mamaya magtabuhan kayo ah.
and easy, guys. Hindi na ako natutuwa. Hindi na ako masaya.
Dito palabas na kami sa mismong building pero sinundan pa rin kami.
Calibrating.
Okay?
Bro. Nandun talaga tayo.
We are being followed, Brother Ramon. We've been followed.
Okay, stop that now, please. Spirit, stop that. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it.
Thank
Stop
you.
it. Stop. Stop it. We know you're here with us. Just stop.
We need to move backward para hindi niya ma-absorb.
Just stop it.
Brother Ramon, can we move backward? May tao
Okay.
sa likod ko. May babae sa likod ko. Can you see someone behind me?
Don't move. Don't move.
A female.
Come here. Don't move. Don't move your eyes. Look at us again. Look at me. Look at me. Look at those eyes. Stay there. We're going to pack up now. Bring them down. Okay.
May nakahawak sa batok ko. Someone is holding my neck.
Babago yung mata niya.
Leave them alone, Spirit. Leave them alone.
Leave them alone. Sorry ah.
What's your name? LG. Hold my hands, both my hands. Come and walk with me. Moving him away from the bad energy that's there.
Ang ina pre, tuloy-tuloy pa rin.
Tagal mo, tuloy-tuloy pa rin.
Wala nang tao, guys.
Right, switch everything off. We're safe, no problem. What we don't want to do is give the spirits more power than they already have. And that's the biggest mistake that ghost hunters make, is that they come across powerful spirits and they stay. And he feeds from them, takes all their energy, and it just makes things worse.
Mas minabuti na naming umalis sa lugar at pag-usapan na lang sa labas yung mga nangyari.
So mga kaibigan,
Ayun guys, nakakatakot yung ano to, Cebu Abandoned Convention Center. Nakakatakot, grabe, creepy. Yun guys, maraming salamat na nanonood yung hapon sa ating stream at next week ulit. Thank you.
I came from the mud. There's dirt on my